Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Birmingham to check out the Frankfurt German market. So come with us as we explore all the stores, the food available and all the beers and many sausages. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, look at this. Did I mention I don't like roller coasters? Oh no! Ah!
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
So just bought the first round and for 1.5 beers was £21, but that is with a £10 deposit where you get little tokens. So each of those is £5 and you get those back at the end, but still quite a hefty beer to start. Might be expensive, but it is a nice beer. There we go, we've got some churro stores and some crepes. Here we go, the first of many sausage stands. That man's got himself a nice big one. So we're going to count the bars as we go up as well. So we've got one bar so far and one sausage stall. But the really good thing about the Birmingham Christmas Market is the theming. And all the stands are really funky, and there's all these little characters on top. It's got all the candied nuts, cashews, macadamians, almonds. There's the Britannia Hotel over there, one of the worst rated hotels. I have stayed there, and I'll pop in the top right hand corner a little video link if you want to go back and watch that video. I got shouted at by the manager. It's all very exciting. This is the second bar. Look how cool this one is. It's like some massive advent calendar. It's bar number 2. And then you have a bit of a break in the action. So you get to the big Christmas tree over there. And that's bar number 3. Here we go, bar number 3. Cool Christmas tree bar. And then we start the stands. So we'll have a check out what you can buy here at the Christmas market. Wow, look at these.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good, how are you? Are you okay? Cool thermometers here. Look at the work on these. Very cool. Stuff.
Basically, these are all handmade in Germany, all from the Black Forest. Put together throughout the whole year. Because it takes so long, it's all authentic. Now these are cuckoo clocks. I can show one up here.
Oh yeah, the cuckoo clock, nice.
Really, really good. And they're set to last a lifetime. Some are all powered, some are battery powered. And then these magical things are really, really cool. So, thermometer there, you've got it outside or inside. Depending on the environment, it'll tell you whether it's wet, cold, or dry and hot. So if it's wet and cold, the man comes out with the umbrella. And if it's dry and hot, the lady comes out with a nice flowers. And how
Cool.
it works is, there's a string in here, and moisture is detected. Yeah, that's fine. And then moisture is detected through here.
Yeah.
So the string, the wetter it comes, the tighter it comes, and it pulls the man out. And the looser it is, and the drier
Goes either way.
comes out.
That's very clever, very cool. Nice. So here's a nice bloke. Got some good products to sell. We've got second sausage store, Frankfurters. And then look at these.
Can I get one locust, please?
£3 castle card.
Card, please.
Nice donuts. Scarves next and hats. Some gloves. Everything you need really. Mystical shop. Look at these rocks. Salt lamps. So that's the first bit of the market done. So we're up to the second bit and we're coming up to bar number 4, I believe. And MJ's playing in the background. This might not be good for YouTube, but let's go and investigate, see what's happening. This is a particularly good bar. Have a look at this bar. More, what are these? Berliner? Are these donuts and cookies? Pretzel stand. Yoga frogs. What are these? Scents. Little lights, candles. What you found? Snowman.
It's a little better.
Wow. Funky mugs. Even the bins are well themed in the Christmas market. Look at that for a bin. So then right up here we get to the gigantic tree. Now these are my favourite thing, little weird profiterole pancakey things. These are my favourite. Phenomenal. Yum. So we're now by the town halls. This is where the most stalls and bars and eateries are. It's like the main bit of the market, so we're going to have a little wander through here. We're just on the outskirts at the moment, next to the big statue man. And we're coming up to another bar. Is this 5, 6? I can't remember. Let me know. But here we go. So I think it's sausage time. Here we go. Here we go. Told you it was sausage time. Woo! Ah. So the other thing to tell you about the sausage, it is pretty expensive. £9 that hot dog is, but it does kind of feed 2 and a baby currently. So I suppose you get your money's worth eventually. But £9 for a sausage, £6 for a beer. It is pricey. Right, I decided the sausage wasn't enough, so I've gone for garlic bread with salami. Oh yeah, look at this. Cheap as well compared to the hot dog, only £5. Oh. Bar number 8, 7, 8. And over here we have all the entertainment and another massive bar. So from here you get a good pan of the square. Right, so just left the main Christmas market at Victoria Square, and we're walking through to Centenary Square now, where there's some funfair rides and normally an ice rink as well. I think that's still here. Last year on the funfair rides they did have a bit of a crash. I'll see if I can find some footage or some pictures to put on the screen right now for you. So we'll go see if that ride is available today and see if anyone's brave enough to actually go on it. Unfortunately I just missed the best ice skating accident ever. And some guy was trying to impress a girl and just fell over the side of the barrier. But here is the ice rink. So this side we've got the ice rink, and then we got the ice rink bar, and then we got the big wheel over here. And then next to the big wheel was the ride that had the incident. It's like a giant swing, but they've got rid of that now, and they've now got Magic Mouse, a little roller coaster, and a little, what do you call them things, like virtual rides. So yeah, the death, I don't think anyone died, but the injury-stricken ride is not here this time. So they've got a bunch of things at this end. So they've got a grill house, burgers, and they've got like a pork roast and sausages. And then we got the, obviously everyone's favourite, the churro stand. So I don't really like roller coasters, but I'm going to go on one just for you. You best appreciate it. The guy running it's a bit shouting. Here we go. And we're off. Starting nice and gentle. Here we go. Uh-oh. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Did I mention I don't like roller coasters? You do get a good view up here though. Nice. Whoa. Shouldn't have had those 5 beers. Whoa. It's okay so far. Oh, nearly fell off. We're all good. Ah! Oh! Does my hair still look good? Oh no! Ah! Oh, the hot dog! The hot dog! Whoa! I don't like roller coasters. Wow, we're spinning. Wow. Woo. Wow. We're spinning more than I used to remember this ride did. You best all subscribe. If you enjoy my channel, do like the video. Give it a thumbs up. Ah! I hope we don't go around again. Once is enough. Whoa! Oh. I'm done. Absolutely done. Thanks very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set.